Hi guys, you already might have seen the iPhone 13 being announced, but I'm going to be giving a more detailed explanation on the iPhone 13. This year, Apple released 4 phones, which are the iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. The iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max look similar to the iPhone 12 lineups, but the most significant design is the notch, which has gone smaller, and the iPhone camera bump. Now for the storage, all base iPhone 13 will start at the storage of 128 gigs, and the highest version you can get is the 1 terabyte. The battery capacity this year has been increased, and for the screen it now finally comes with the 120Hz display, which will make the phone feel fast. The iPhone 13 comes with Apple's new A15 Bionic chip. So for the camera, the iPhone 13 comes with a 12MP main and ultra-wide camera, which makes it a dual camera setup. But the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max comes with a triple camera setup, same as last year, and that will be able to capture 4K video recording. So that's the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and check out this video on how to create a website. Peace.
Music licensing